Hi guys, you've seen on YouTube that I've made two videos how to install Arch Linux the Arch way in a VirtualBox. This is not a VirtualBox, the sound is coming from a webcam, so that's a little bit less. But this is ALCI. ALCI.online is the website. And it's all about Arch Linux and Calamares. I skip all the typing that I've done in these videos and I just get Calamares and install it. So let's play around, and of course, why are we here? To test out the keys as well. So we have a new application, new ArcoLinux Spices Tool, and this is for me a great time to well, test it out. After installation, what I've done is arrow up, sudo reboot. I did powerful control, I did pulse audio, so I can record my voice here. Everything working, just two packages, that's it. And then reboot again, simple recorder. I've updated everything, and that's it. That's all you've missed. Okay, I need to go to the internet. Let's go with Min. Is that available? Let's have a look. It's available on Arch. So it's always Firefox, Vivaldi, Google Chrome, Chromium, everybody takes the same things, but I want to open your mind. That's the goal, right? Open your mind up to something new. Start browsing HTTPS, and then not Min browser, or cannot orange.fr, what's all that? No, ArcoLinux info. And we have here a link down here, the ArcoLinux Spices application. Get the ArcoLinux keys in the packages, and that's the fun I'm gonna have, and of course the test that I'll do. So we have it on our system, home, and that's our video that's being created. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Spices. Install the application, and S is not correct because it's not coming from the Arch repository, it's coming from the our own thing. Now we can launch it like this. Always a good idea, because then you see what happens to the application, what elements he's doing, and then get the ArcoLinux keys and spices. He's going to ask for root permissions, and everything is on its way, and done it is. That's all it is. You can check a little bit longer what's in there. Basically, we need to go back to the terminal, and Spices tool is now ready to be deleted. I mean, sudo pacman -s. First we check, of course, and database already registered. Okay, fine. So we need to go to the sudo nano etc pacman.conf, and because of ALCI, it's already in there. It's not a version. It has already repos. So the repos from the script from the ArcoLinux Spices tool is down here, and when we build ALCI, we've made sure that we have already our packages, because this is the ALCI-dev. There is also an ALCI pure, which is pure Arch, and none of these repos are then available. Well, actually, the ones at the bottom is less interesting, because why? I've told you that many times. First come, first served. If you say sudo pacman -s and the first repo has it, that's the one you get. So Control Q, K actually, and then yes. Now we can do an update again. Everything normal. So the lines at the top will always win from the lines at the bottom, and chaotic here is there as well. So we could then have a look what is the list of Linux kernels that chaotic provides these days. Okay, again, the list is a bit longer than what we saw. This is the list. Hardened, lots of LTS with TKJ things. Main line is there, that's cool. And I already tested it, works fine. Well, not on this machine, on the other machine. But hey, and Xenmod is there, Zen is there. So be my guest, play around with it. we're just gonna show you that we can actually install the ArcoLinux wallpapers Git with no problems at all. And then we get our sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux. Let's do a tiling winner miner at this time. ArcoLinux root git to get the bash RC in. And it says X resources exists in the file system. Yeah, we have an old ALCI installation, and we have a beautiful X resources already there, hence the conflict, right? That's why it's there. So it's not pure Arch. So, well, yeah, I could build myself a pure Arch, but then I wouldn't have, yeah, I could, but it doesn't matter. Sudo pacman -remove. Let's see. The only thing that's there is that. So basically sudo remove etc skel, because I'm gonna replace it with something else. Simple as that. Now let's see, I've installed the wallpapers, haven't installed XFCE yet. ArcoLinux XFCE git skel, not found. We have a beautiful way for logging out. ArcoLinux logout git, I suppose, and ArcoLinux themes, beautiful themes, created ourselves. Come on, there you go. So we've got that. We have better lock screen in there as well, I see. Logout themes, cool. Still no skel. Let's do it. No, I can't reboot. I'm recording. Let's do it manually then. So, file system. This is where everything is going to be, and none of it is going to be used. So bash RC, Control A, Control C. Gonna put it in here. Bash RC, Control A, Control V, save. Sourcing bash RC. So I'm going to do a skel. I can do an update, and I can do all that. Do I have AUR, or I mean pacman, anything like that? Sudo pacman -s. I'm gonna go for yay bin, yay git. What are we going to test? Let's test yay git. So now I can install stuff like, yeah, Spotify. It's simple. Sudo pacman -s. All the packages from our repository are present. So it's just a sudo pacman -s away. You don't need to build. So if you want to build something, well, you need to find something that's on the AUR. I don't know, yay. What could we do? Anything XFCE4 related. Let's have a look. We'll scroll up. So, yay. Still extra chaotic. There's some chaotic stuff up here. XFCE. There is the Mojave KitKey theme, Mac OS thing. Okay, why not? 69. Let's install from chaotic Mojave thingy. I'm pretty sure I pronounced it correctly. So Mojave dark, Mojave something like that. Light, alt, solid, alt, dark, solid, just alt. Okay, icons. Let's do the paper ones. Although, aren't there yay Mojave thingies? Mojave icons? No. Yes. MC Mojave icon theme. Try it out. You might like it. This is coming from chaotic. Seems to be a little bit longer. All depends on the speed of the server, and that's not great. But it gets there. Be patient. $210 megabytes. I wonder what I'll get. Gold, diamonds, platina. Okay. Getting there. There he is. Whoa, what happened here? Settings manager. Appearance, yeah. Icons. Let's have a look. Control H. This one, that one, this one. Maybe I can do Control Alt is not existing yet. XFC terminal, okay. Maybe you can launch XFC4 app thingy, app finder. Voila. Then this is open. Then I can have a look. Or not. Is he joining me in changes to the left? Doesn't seem to change there. So lots of things. It's just gonna be the desktop color there. No, not for yellow. I will choose the blue then, or this one. Okay, chosen our colors. We have chosen our colors and our icons. What can I do without rebooting? That's a problem. What can I do without rebooting? I can do settings manager. That's nice. I can set the wallpaper. I'm already tired with the wallpaper. It's XFCE. Take a look at this one. I have just added a beautiful fish. Nice, right? And that's that. I can get rid of all that. Oh, where was that again? Desktop, icons, home, file system, trash, removal devices. Don't want any of these on my wallpaper. Maybe you, if you want to not, don't want these. A USB, yeah, but other things. So maybe this, I don't know. I'm good without. It's all here. No, it's not. I don't have a trash system yet. I don't have a trash system. That's the file manager. Where is internet? Internet is min. Min is not in here. But this is not blank, Eric. This is not blank. Okay, let's get ourselves blank. Sudo pacman -s blank. I was also latte for the plasma guys. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux blank. We have a blank git. And we also have sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux. So this is the setting and these are the themes. Okay. I've got myself themes. I could copy with a scale, yeah, Eric, with a scale, you just take it over and then you launch blank would be here, okay, blank. So blank is there, we're gonna remove the panel, or remove, but it's actually more than that. I want to remove everything. To the left for a moment. Panel preferences, panel 2, remove, minus I guess, remove. Off it is. Left bottom, a nice look for this wallpaper. In black maybe? Why not? So that's what we have. You were wondering why are all the folders not there? What application was that again? Lego boxes. I forgot again. Okay. The Lego piece is something XDG kind of thing. So go back my minus S. XD and something. XDG. User dirs. Or is the other one? User, got it, user dir. I don't know which one it is. Trial and error, that's how you learn. Might be this one, might be the other one. It's now created the symlink, I see. I don't think I'm supposed to do this, but I hope I can do it. I can show you without rebooting it. I'm making a video. System ctl start xd. No, I'm not supposed to do anything of this. User default targets, yeah, okay. It's not possible. What else? XFC4 terminal. I run my scal. Scal. Once more. Do I have zero custom actions? Zero. Now this is, it keeps forgetting this. It's annoying. Is exo preferred thingy installed? That's not installed, but that's not part anymore. Exo open thingy is gone at some point in time. It was deleted. Panel profiles. Boom. Preferred applications, default applications. Web browser, utilities, XFCE. You should not forget it. Now he knows. Control T. What else? We were thinking about having awesome, but yeah, I'm not in a virtual box, I can't reboot or anything, so that's a drag. Let's do things we can do. Appearance. Can I point you in the direction of the fonts? This is sans regular, actually not that bad. Sans regular, a standard font. Not that bad. Ctrl is here. Ctrl bold. Maybe monospace regular. And select it. See if you like it. And some settings here for a machine. DPI. Right mouse click has applications. Sometimes you don't like that. Can be set as well without rebooting. Desktop. That here, show application icons in menu. I think we need to reboot. Show application icon menu. I think it's that. Transparency is fun. Is it already transparent? No. We don't have the whisker menu. I prefer that one. So this little guy, move here, that, remove. Yes. So we got this, which gives me the search option. Can't speak anymore. Right mouse click, properties. Show category names, no. Position categories next to panel, and so on. Commands next to search. Background opacity, that's what I like. That's a little bit, well, choices, right? Choices. Yeah, or this, show us list. Show us 3. Show, back on. All possibilities. Larger. Okay, normal. Still too big, small. So in the end you gotta choose panel buttons, icon, title, applications. Why title ALCI, and I want an icon as well, another icon. Now you have to wait, right, because this loads all the icons it has, and it depends how many icons there are. I would look for a convenient, well, do all icons. I'll take a nice one. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Anything Arch, the Arch Linux logo. Voila, we've got an Arch Linux logo. Sometimes a few spaces makes this breathe a little bit, have some room. So we have this. It's not bad, right? Nicer. This is not alive. This is for me dead. I don't like it. That plank is dead. I can zoom. Big zoom. Needs to be alive. Close. Yeah, we need to probably. Where's my min? That's how everything started. I want my min to be here. Keep in dock. There you are. Anything else? Terminal emulator maybe. Terminal emulator. Keep in dock. So that's actually nice. One terminal is enough, right? Is there more? What's this? No, that's just another link to XFCE terminal. Well, guys, I mean, I can keep on playing around. It's a GeForce GTK 970, which means for me, I just need to type sudo pacman -s NVIDIA. I do the NVIDIA utils and the NVIDIA settings just to show off that I have the settings, and then it will boot. It will work. But there is absolutely no need to try with the open source drivers first. Let me see, it's not installed, and then see. So nouveau kernel, right? So it's working just fine. Why would I bother with NVIDIA as long as everything is good enough for you? And if yes, gaming is your thing, and yeah, you're not happy with this driver, you can try out the NVIDIA, but stick with what works. Keep it simple and stupid. This is for me already enough. Well, not quite. I would like to have Sublime Text available, some text editor. You choose yours. So I have that. Sublime, and I put it to my dock. I've got a browser, I got an editor. What else? If I have to do something for, let's say, school, and I need to have something to write an Excel or something else like that, I would install this one. It will have 0 issues with Excel, and there's also a MIME thing. There it is, WPFS Office. Then it's complete. I've not made another video, installed that too, but just Office, and well, it will complain that it does need the fonts or the MIME or both. And that's coming from us. You have now lift off. All these categories, that's not working for me. It's down here. But yeah. Last time I showed you Word in the other video, so if you want to see what that is, go and have that. Look at that video. This is still complaining about fonts. Do not report again. It's about formulas or something. Look at that. Anybody who has been working on Excel will say to me, Eric, what's the difference? Not much, I think. So, videos, music. Woo! We've changed the font or something. Ah yeah, source code Pro 10. Because we installed something, XFCE is going to take something else. That needs to be fixed. But what was I going to say is that -S. What was I going to say? Music. So VLC for the videos. That's my tool. Windows, Mac, Linux, it works. That's all you need to do. Double click, full screen, watch. And then music. Not really a preference since I have Spotify, so I'm always listening to that. Last time I installed Dead Beef, which is also quite interesting. Maybe we should just have a look and install sudo pacman -s pamic all and see what pamic provides. Control T. Let's install Alacrity. Can we type it already? Alacrity, there it is. That's installed. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux. Alacrity. That's in etc skel, so I type skel. Control Alt Enter. It's not working now, but it should. Control Alt D is not working, so the I overwrite every time I do a skel. Yeah, I got it. Sudo pacman, whoa, sudo pacman minus, oh, what was I thinking? Ah yeah, -S D menu. Let's see if that works now. Control Shift D. No, keyboard shortcut. D menu run. This needs another start from XFCE. So Control Shift D will work. And Alacrity is not working either. But it is much nicer than that one. Bye. And then what else? fonts is not installed. I believe it's the hack font I chose, sudo pattern -s hack font, not hack probably, but hack something, or TTF hack or something. TTF. I'm all doing this out of my mind, out of my, how do you say that? Not checking anywhere. So Control Alt, okay, that's not working. Alacrity. That's a nicer font. Okay, no, wrong thing. Alacrity again. You stay there, that's gone. That's a nice font. So, TTF hack in my Alacrity. Colors are from us. So all these things sorry, are colored nicely. We don't see all these Audi things because we have a special grub. I hate it when we see that. Damn, closed it again. Yeah, I can't reboot, right? Recording. But it's getting nicer and nicer by the minute. And we wanted to run Pamic tray. And then we got this slice icon. It's colored like this here, because we wanted to see the categories and the music in the video. What can we install? Spend some time here. Audacious, we had that in Arch Labs 4 years ago. I did have that beef as well. At some point in time, Clementine has been used as well. Not in Arch Labs, in Linux Mint I was using that, I think. That's way back then. Elisa, online radio support. GNOME player. GNOME music. Choices, right? Take something you like. Lollipop is also quite an interesting one. We used it as well. It was back in the days in that distribution. We had also the artist icons. Gone. MPV media player, why not? Play movies and songs. Pentium music, never install that outside Pentium. Pulse audio system tray. Actually, I think that's the one we used before I got everything working with my Bluetooth headset. I had Passes tray, and Passes tray is quite complex, but it did the job, right? It helped me set everything. Can I stop this? Pamic tray, that's Pamic tray. No, I can't stop this. Control T. Passes tray is which one? That one? Look at that. So I've never shown this in any video yet, right? So this is the first time I've shown it, because it's a complex thing. But if you're in trouble with your Bluetooth headset, you can actually do a lot of things here. Default sync, change the sync, default source, all kind of things you can change. And adds modules here. So it's for a standard user, whoa, right? But may it help you, right? May it help you. Passes tray is the application. What else? All the way down and then all the way up. Organize and play your music. Never done that. X-Noise. X-Noise, I suppose. Volume icon, we have that. On our tiling window managers, you could easily switch your volume icon with the other one, right? I just shown you. So choices. Strawberry music player, yeah, why not? Okay, with all these choices, rhythm box is there as well. I'm gonna go with something that's fun in name. Let's see first what we get. Has come to an end. Nah, now we know already. We're not gonna install that one. Has come to an end. This is also something, I don't know. MauiKit. Isn't that a name of Linux? Maui project. I believe that's a project on its own. Let's see what this is. Oh my god. It definitely relies on the plasma stuff. It's all case. But who cares? Plenty of bandwidth. No, I can't restart. I'm making a video. Guys know that. Audio video. VLC is here. Show me something. Okay. Account settings. Behavior. Fetch artwork. Auto scan. Sources. Okay. Filter. Artists. Tags. Folders. Cloud. At least you've seen the window. Voila, I'm gonna end here. There's so much more playthings in Arch repos, on our repos, on the AOR repos, but as an end result, not bad. You have to admit, Arch Linux is just great. Alright, guys, have fun. Cheers. Let me try to stop this thing.